Katie Pix. You may have noticed that it's been a little bit quiet on the channel at the moment, for which I apologise, but I've been a little bit busy and I've got a bit of an exciting surprise. Welcome to my brand new kitchen. Look at it, it's real, it's beautiful, it's the Katie Pix kitchen. What the heck? This is actually my kitchen, not in my house. This is a purpose-built studio kitchen where I can create all the recipes and delicious, wonderful things for you, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Let's give you a little tour around, shall we? I had a lot of fun designing this kitchen. The majority of stuff in this kitchen I have owned for about 3 years. Why? Well, I've always had that wonderful idea that I will own a house at some point. When will I realise that that is not feasible? I'm gonna give you a bit of a backstory because probably a lot of you are there going, Kate, you've had at least 3 kitchens, calm down. No. I started out with Jamie Oliver and he very kindly let me use his kitchen. So the first few videos you saw, this kitchen, that's Jamie Oliver's, yeah. This is the Food Tube kitchen and this is his kitchen just above 15s. This was Westland Place. Amazing kitchens, such a dream to work there, incredible. Then came this kitchen. My beautiful friend, another Jamie, this is his gorgeous kitchen. But again, not my kitchen. Then came this kitchen, the one you've probably seen the most. This is actually a kitchen over in London. It's in Balham. Love them to pieces, Clapham Studios. Which brings us to now. Jamie Oliver's kitchens are by far my absolute favourite. I think they're incredible. And I wanted to kind of replicate that lovely, rustic, Italian charm farmhouse feel. £9 for a couple of scaffolding boards from the local scrap yard. And these, which I'll leave a link to in the description box, are just from Amazon. And a very clever builder friend of mine, Colin, love you, Colin created these for me. Oh! Okay, we've also got a beautiful sink here. So any utensils, these pots and pans for example, how shiny they are. I got these when I worked at Jamie's, using my staff discount at the time. We cannot talk about this kitchen without mentioning this beauty. This is my leisure cooker and this is one of my absolute pride and joys and I cannot believe she's mine. Oh. I will look after you forever. And then over in this corner, we've got my Combi steam microwave oven. I actually won this in a raffle. How cool is that? And then I've got a Bosch oven here. I did a team up with Bosch and very kindly, they gifted me an oven. Some people get paychecks, I get ovens, and what? We have a cupboard just for baking equipment. We have giant pastas to try and be Jamie Oliver. Oh! This is my Next kettle and toaster. Next have been so kind to me and never, ever, ever with expectations. So thank you so much to the team at Next. This is mine. This is wild. How cool is this? Game changer. So, oh! It's a plug socket. How cool is that? What can you expect now that Katie Pix has her very own kitchen? Well, hopefully guys, you can expect more beautiful content, more creative content, more exciting recipes, more exciting videos, more exciting collaborations. I cannot wait for 2019 and I cannot thank you enough for making this possible. Because you know why I've got this? Because you guys exist and you've for some reason supported me for 2 years now in this ridiculous adventure and I just can't actually believe that this is what I get to do for a living. So thank you. If there's recipes you want to see, get them in the comments box below. And until next week when we kick off with the first recipe of the year in the Katie Pix kitchen, I shall see you then. Bye!